he always says he wants us to succeed in some way. Even though he pushes us pretty hard, he always reminds us, "I still love you." You know, he always says, "I love you guys. I love you guys. I know I'm being hard, but I'm just trying to make you succeed in some way." It hits in the heart. I can hear it in the heart, and yeah, it's just we should have more people like Zach helping out, making basketball or even rugby, just to get kids out of their mindset of trying to commit suicide. I turn to my family and my close friends as well. Um, if things does get hard, usually talk to my mum or dad, and they're always there for me. So thanks to mum and dad. But yeah, I always talk to them, and I know they got my back at all times. My friends as well, my boys, they're always there for me. Something goes down, I run to them. My family's not there, and my boys always got my back. Let them, or let me stay at their house for a couple of nights, make sure I'm alright. And yeah, I was raised to make sure everyone is feeling okay. Spreading kindness as well.
Friends and um, my parents as well. Um, One of the things I always remember from it as a kid was that no, my parents have no idea what's going on. And as you get older, you realize no, actually, your parents have been through all the same dumb stuff you have, and they're really they probably have had that experience already, and they're like, yeah, we know what's going on. Yeah, but I think yeah, the main thing is you turn to someone because it's vulnerability is one of those things that's taken me a long time to get to, but being able to ask for help is one of the hardest things to do, and when you can do it, it's actually amazing the number of times that you're trying to figure something out, you just can't, and it seems like it's the end of the world, everything's gonna fall apart, and you talk to someone else about it, and they go, "Oh, no, no one else thinks that at all." Like, that's not how that's not it, that's obviously not what ever anyone else is seeing that, and no one's expecting that of you, and you just kind of can let go of it. Yeah, or just understanding that if you're having a problem or you're struggling with something, someone else can help you. And honestly, the main one of the main things is just saying something out loud is very different to inside your own head. And even before you've actually sort of finished telling the person what you're, where you're struggling or what's going wrong or how you're feeling, you sometimes just saying it out loud, you go, actually, I'm being ridiculous. And so, but yeah, that willingness to kind of put it out there into the world. And sometimes it is bad, but also sometimes someone will look at you and say, yeah, that is bad. And actually, I think you need to, escalate this and get some help. Actually, someone else can come in and say, hey, that is a problem and you should talk to someone. But you can't see that, and more importantly, if you can't talk to your wife, your siblings, your parents, partner, whoever it might be, you're not going to talk to a doctor about it, and the doctor is the person who can actually help you because they that's their job. Right? And even if it's a mental health thing, a doctor is able to help you get counseling or support, or they deal with that kind of thing all the time. Again, it's their job. Um, it's like my son was telling me that he really liked the book series he was reading, but he's reread it too many times. He doesn't want to read it anymore. I was like, oh, okay. Well, what did you like about it? Oh, it's about dragons. I'm like, there are other book series with dragons in them. I guarantee you. And he's like, oh, yeah. And I'm like, I can find you more book series with dragons in them. That's my job, right? If you want more books about dragons or um, retired adventurers opening up coffee shops and fantasy settings, I can find you those books. That's what I can do. But a doctor can actually tell you. They won't tell you straight away, but they can look at what's going on and they can either recommend tests or refer you to someone who can help. And whether that's an orthopedic specialist for your, damaged shoulder, or it's a psychologist for your, you know, damaged mental well-being, they can do that.
So I've been blessed to have two people in my life that, two brothers. Unfortunately, one of my brothers, he actually took his own life. He'll just pop up at the randomest times, and the randomest places, and distance away from each other. It never changed a thing, but I could always talk to him. I could always tell him what's up, and be honest, and he would just tell me straight up, you're being a pussy, or harden up, bro, and sometimes I needed to hear that. Sometimes you do need to hear that, harden up, bro, knuckle down and get to it. But I'm blessed to actually have had, have two of them. My other brother, he he's that guy you can tell your deepest, darkest, and he'll take it to the grave, but he'll always also give you food for thought. He's in that winning mindset, and stuff like that. So the conversations are always about growth, and stuff like that. And when things get hard, he won't try and solve it for me, but he'll give me sort of mahi to do, to sort of try and build, on this problem, because instead of worrying about the problem, just think about solutions. And yeah, I'm blessed to have the brothers that I've had in my life, and yeah, the boat Craig and the boat Easy. Yeah.
Close family members, because you've got family members who don't sort of support you in that way, in that area, because they say you're weak. Go to those who are strong in your family, who will love you for what you are, who you are. Those are the best people to go to, and you know who those people are out of your friends. Sometimes your friends are more your family than your family, which is sad to say, but that's how it is. I've got so many friends out there that I can rely on so much. It's not funny, but at least, yeah, just those close knit people that you've got. Try and get out and expand. Get out there. Because I'm involved in so much things outside of my own family stuff. That helps me. Children, coaching. The coaching helps me heaps. Just coaching those children.